Bouvet car jump starter air pump portable. Air compressor. Multifunction tire inflator. It can be used as a car jump starter. To start the car, can inflate tires. In addition, it has the function of emergency lighting. Car jump starter mode. Output voltage 12 volts. Battery capacity 8,400 mAh. Battery type lithium-ion battery. Peak current 100 Scope of application. Applicable to 12 volts for 0.0 L gasoline vehicles. Applicable to 12 volts to 0.5 L diesel vehicles. Inflation pump mode. Noise 90 dB. Inflation tube length 13 centimeters. Threaded air tube. Scope of application. Car, bicycle, battery car, ball, etc. Main scope of application. Cars, bicycles, motorcycles, electric motorcycles, balls, etc. Special feature. Digital display screen. Voltage unit. PSI bar. kPa. kgfcm2. Operating temperature. -20 degrees Celsius, approximately 60 degrees centigrade. Maximum air pressure 180 psi. Accuracy plus or minus 1.5 psi. Measurement precision 1.5 psi. Air volume for all min.